friends, this is the Cryptonian. Today is Thursday. We're giving an update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently is at 27,210. We do have a technical breakout right here at the point of resistance, this significant descending diagonal white line. So what can we expect? Well, we had a we previously we had this spike here, and in the last video I said that this is a technique by the bulls to clear the way, clear those bears out of the way so they can continue going higher, and that's exactly what happened. Now, and I did also say that we would eventually, in a few candles, get a B2 confirmation, and we do have that on the 4-hour. We do have a B2 trend confirmation on the 4-hour chart. So this is a nice move and a nice official technical breakout on the chart. Now the volatility mod, Cryptonian volatility mod, is an expansion right here. And so everything about this move tells us that this is a legitimate move with strength, and this is a legitimate technical breakout here. So taking a look at the entire chart here, where do we go from here? Well, I think we're probably going to take a rest here. Probably going to maybe test this area for the next maybe 12 to 24 hours. And then we could push higher here above that 27,500. That's really the area we need to take out. And that would give us a higher high. We already have a higher low here on the chart, and this taking out this previous high at 27,500 would be a higher high, and that would be the confirmation of this as a uptrend, a reversal. Okay, so things are looking really good. The market's actually responding really well. When we take a look at the banter bubbles here, we see that the market is responding very positively, and I told you that this would happen when if Bitcoin had a breakout and a trend change, then the market would also change trend with Bitcoin. And you see that Bitcoin's up about 3%. You can see that the rest of these altcoins here, the rest of the market is responding very positively, very strongly. We have Ruin up 13%. We have Aave up 11%, Rollbit 15%, ARB 9%, Hex 9%, right? Render up almost 5%, Ape 7%. So things are looking excellent right now. The market's responding. The market looks really good. Tone 5%, BCH 5%, Lido up 9%. So remember, I really love Aave, and this is why. Aave looking very strong. Aave always moves with Bitcoin. Bitcoin having this breakout, Aave's up 11%. So Aave giving outsized gains, and this is why I like Aave. So getting back to the chart here, so the next point that we need to take out is the 27,500 area, and then that puts us in position to take out this 27,800, 27,900 area. And once we do that, it's really the next stop is going to be, let's see, I believe it's going to be around 29 or 30,000. The next resistance line is at 29,300. So that would bring us right up to 29,300, 29,000, or even 30,000, possibly 31. So this is excellent news. Excellent, excellent news. So is it too late? No, I don't think it's too late. If you want to get into Bitcoin, then on the retest, you could probably get into Bitcoin here on the retest, and then you could ride that up to 3031. Now, we're not going to go to 3031 immediately. Let's take a look at the daily chart here. We're not going to go up to the 3031 area immediately. what's going to happen here is we need to confirm the moving averages on the daily. This death cross that we had, this 30, or excuse me, the 50 and the 200. We need to get above that, and we need to consolidate. We also need to get above the daily pivot, excuse me, point of control, which is going to be this 27,300. 27,300, this line right here. This is where that cluster of volume is, okay? And this is what I've said before. We need to break above this area to clear the way to 31,000. And also I said that this pattern here, this triangular pattern, is the target is at the top here. So whenever you see uh, a descending formation like this, when you break out on these triangular patterns, the target is at the top here. Where is the top? The top is actually 31,900. 31,900 is right back up here. So this would confirm a pattern, a sideways consolidation pattern like this. Okay, so once we get to that point, the question is, would we break out? If we have a breakout there, that's going to be very, very bullish for the market as well. So as far as altcoins, is it too late? I think it is for some of them. Like Ruin, 13%, probably not a good time to get into Ruin. You want to get in on consolidation and pullback. Um, Ave is already halfway to the resistance area, so you'd have to take it chart by chart. And I will be posting other videos about other altcoins and taking a look at the charts and seeing where good entries are, where support, where resistance is, and I'll be releasing additional videos. And that this is pretty much what I've been waiting for, is this breakout. So right now on the daily RSI for Bitcoin 59, we're just getting started. This is showing strength and in bullish territory. Now on the daily, we have not flipped the trend yet. The EMA trend is bearish still, and that's because on the daily we have not had the B2 signal of confirmation for a trend change yet, but we did have that on the 4-hour. We do have a trend change confirmation here, this signal B2 that we can see here. This is a official trend change. So as the trend matures on Bitcoin on the 4-hour, you're going to see that carry over to the daily chart, and after a few days we'll see the B2 signal develop here for Bitcoin as well, and then that will be a trend confirmation. But to do so, we need to get above that 27,300, which is currently resistance now. So right now Bitcoin does have a breakout. Bitcoin is at resistance, and I do expect Bitcoin to take a small pause here on the 4-hour, or maybe even try to take this previous high out first, 27,500. It might try to continue and take out 27,500 and then take a breather, like push up high like this, and then come back and confirm 27,500 area. That would be the time to enter, okay, for Bitcoin. Anyway, there you go, friends. I don't want to make the video too long, just wanted to give an update. This is a technical breakout. This is a legitimate breakout because it is with volume. We see volume coming in down here, and so this volume is a little bit higher than what we've had previous when we had the previous high here. So yeah, we'll just have to make sure that we take out the previous high for a trend change showing strength. If we get rejected here and we fall back under, then that's going to be bearish. That's going to show weakness, and that's not going to be good. So we need to stay above this breakout line, and I'll keep you guys posted as to the developments on Bitcoin and the chart. And so congratulations to everyone who has positioned themselves on this dip, on this pullback. When Bitcoin pulled back to the golden pocket, congratulations if you purchased Bitcoin or some of the other altcoins. And Yeah, especially like Aave. Aave is one of the largest uh, performers. So this is excellent. This is great to see, and I'm still in my position for Aave. So I'm looking at a long-term position for Aave. DMA trend is bullish on the 4 hour, and we can see that that DMA was the early signal here, so that signal is good, and the expansion is underway with no reversal yet. So this is all of this is looking good. All of this is looking good, and volatility is only 4, so we have only started on this move. So this expansion to the upside, hopefully, if we start expanding this move to the upside, we'll get above the 4, or excuse me, get above the 10 on volatility, because volatility right now is 4. If we get above 10, then that shows that this is an actual move with strength underway. Okay. So anyway, thanks for watching, friends. Please click like, and that helps the channel out. I'm trying to grow the channel. We're new. And also subscribe for additional updates. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.